Understanding Priority Access Sale. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning easy and fun for you. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: Priority Access Sale. Whether you're shopping online, booking tickets, or signing up for events, this phrase might pop up quite often. But what does it mean exactly? Stay tuned as we break it down for you, ensuring you can not only understand but also use this phrase confidently in your daily English conversations. At its core, Priority Access Sale refers to a special sale event where certain customers are given the opportunity to purchase products or services before the general public. This is a common practice in many industries, including retail, entertainment, and travel. The key here is priority, which means these customers are placed at the front of the line, metaphorically speaking, allowing them to access deals and offers ahead of others. You might be wondering, how does one become part of this privileged group? Typically, priority access is offered to loyal customers, those who frequently shop with a brand or are part of a loyalty program. Subscribers or members, people who are subscribed to a newsletter or are members of a club associated with the brand. Credit card holders, individuals who own a credit card that is partnered with the event or sale. By offering priority access, companies aim to reward their most loyal customers or partners with an exclusive shopping experience. Having priority access comes with several attractive benefits. Early access to limited stock items, ensuring you get what you want before it sells out. Exclusive deals that may not be available to the general public, potentially saving you money. Convenience of shopping without the rush, allowing for a more relaxed experience. Understanding these benefits helps highlight the value of being part of priority access sales. Interested in becoming one of these priority customers? Here are a few tips. Join loyalty programs. Sign up for loyalty programs of your favorite brands. Subscribe to newsletters. Keep an eye on your favorite company's newsletters for any priority access announcements. Use branded credit cards. Consider applying for credit cards that offer these perks. Taking these steps can increase your chances of receiving priority access in the future. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of priority access sale and how you can benefit from it. Remember, being informed and proactive can open doors to exclusive offers and opportunities. So, keep exploring and making the most of your shopping experiences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos. See you in the next one.